Hey guys, Vlad here, welcome to the channel, and this is Furgle gaming chair, a racing style gaming chair with a cool black and white theme. This is from their Carry series and they also have a variety of other models, you can check them out using a link in the description. Assembly of the chair is straightforward, there is of course the user's manual, so if in doubt make sure to consult it, but honestly the base is ready to go, just straighten it, put wheels on it, insert a gas spring into it and add a sitting part on it. After that, it's time to attach the backrest with 2 screws on each side, attach the armrest with 4 screws on each side and pretty much the chair is ready. Front side has some cool stitching details all over the rest area as well as on the sitting area. I like that it's a mix of 2 colors, that adds interest to it, so it's not a boring one color or as usual combination of black and red. Speaking of design and stitching, you can notice it has stitching details all around the backrest and sitting part. Since it is inspired by racing car seats, they have these cool details as well, and the same is applied to this chair, giving it better visual appeal. The sitting area is covered in breathable mesh fabric, which will not make you sweat, not even after a long gaming sessions. The side supports are also stuffed with soft cushion inside and will not fatigue your legs. But make sure to take regular breaks after 1 hour. The backrest comes with 2 large cutouts through which you can attach a neck pillow. It's made out of a soft leatherette material, but in my honest opinion I am not using it as it somehow makes me lean forward. But if you wish to use it, there is that option too. Backrest also has a recline mechanism, 90 to 180 degree motion, activated by this lever on the right side. You just pull it and you can recline the backrest from 90 degree to a 180 degrees. It also has a tilting mechanism which allows the whole chair to be rocked a little bit. It can be set from 10 to 30 degrees with a knob underneath the chair, so loosening will allow it to rock up to 30 degrees and tighten will only allow up to 10 degrees rocking. So moving to the armrests, usually on this type of chairs these come with some motion added to them aside from up and down, but unfortunately this is not the case here, only up and down movement is available, which is activated by this lever on the side, but this is it, no left or right movement nor side tilting. Usually this is enough, but competition has this option, so I don't know why Furgle did not include it as well. I believe that it would not have altered the price that much, which is some $190 by the way. The gas spring lifting mechanism can support up to 150 kilos of weight. And what I like about this chair is that it states that it's made for people tall up to 180 centimeters or 5.9 feet, and it's important to know this and consider when buying it, as the backrest has widened part in the shoulder area and it's made for people of mentioned height. So if you are taller than that, please take this into consideration. Complete mechanism under the chair is made out of metal, while the wheelbase comes on the hinge mechanism and it's made out of rigid plastic, 2mm thick plastic which will not break under pressure. Wheels are also racing inspired, so they look like alloy wheels on a car, they are rubberized to protect hardwood floors. But anyhow, I recommend you keep this chair on a rug or carpet as you can drift away easily on a hardwood floor. So this is all for this time guys, stay tuned for next video, you know the drill, sub, like and share, check my other videos if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.